Welcome to this tutorial on Format-Table, one of PowerShell's most essential cmdlets for displaying data. Format-Table is your go-to tool when you need to view object information in a clean, organized table format with columns and rows. This cmdlet transforms complex PowerShell objects into easy-to-read tabular output, making it perfect for analyzing processes, services, files, and much more. Let's dive in and learn how to master tabular output in PowerShell. Format-Table is a PowerShell cmdlet that takes object output from other commands and transforms it into a structured table format. Think of it as converting raw data into a spreadsheet-like view with clearly defined columns and rows. When you run commands like get-process or get-service, PowerShell returns objects with multiple properties. Format-Table helps you display these properties in an organized way, showing exactly the information you need in a table structure that's easy to read and understand. The basic syntax of Format-Table is straightforward. You simply pipe the output of any cmdlet into Format-Table. For example, get-process pipe Format-Table displays all running processes in table format. You can also specify which properties to display using the dash property parameter. For instance, get-service pipe Format-Table dash property name, status shows only the name and status columns of all services. This selective display helps you focus on the information that matters most for your task. One of Format-Table's most powerful features is the ability to select specific columns to display. By using the dash property parameter followed by property names, you control exactly what appears in your table. For example, get-process pipe Format-Table dash property name, id, CPU displays only the process name, process ID, and CPU usage. You can also use the alias ft as a shortcut for Format-Table. So get-process pipe ft name, id, CPU produces the same result with less typing. This is especially useful when working interactively in the PowerShell console. Sometimes you want to rename columns or perform calculations on property values. Format-Table allows you to create custom columns using hash tables. Each hash table contains a label key for the column name and an expression key for the value to display. For example, you can rename name to process name and convert the working set memory from bytes to megabytes. The syntax uses @ sign followed by curly braces containing label equals the new name in quotes, semicolon, then expression equals a script block that calculates the value. This powerful feature lets you transform and present data exactly how you need it. By default, Format-Table uses fixed column widths, which can sometimes result in truncated text or wasted space. The AutoSize parameter solves this problem by automatically adjusting column widths to fit the content. Simply add -AutoSize to your Format-Table command, like get-process pipe Format-Table -AutoSize. This ensures each column is exactly as wide as it needs to be to display all the data without truncation. Keep in mind that AutoSize requires PowerShell to collect all the data before displaying it, so there might be a slight delay with large datasets, but the improved readability is usually worth it. The -GroupBy parameter organizes your table output by grouping rows that share the same value for a specified property. For example, get-service pipe Format-Table -GroupBy status groups all services by their status. This means all running services appear together in one section, all stopped services in another section, and so on. Each group is displayed with a header showing the grouping property value, followed by the table rows for that group. This organization makes it much easier to analyze data when you need to see items categorized by a specific attribute. Let's recap what we've learned about Format-Table. First, Format-Table displays PowerShell objects in structured columns, making complex data easy to read. Second, use the dash property parameter to select specific columns and control what information appears in your table. Third, you can create custom columns with calculated properties using hash tables, allowing you to rename columns and transform values. Finally, parameters like -AutoSize and -GroupBy enhance readability by adjusting column widths and organizing data into logical groups. With these techniques, you're now equipped to format PowerShell output professionally and efficiently. Practice these concepts, and you'll quickly become proficient at displaying data exactly how you need it.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.